Hello guys, you tabled Huawei MatePad 11. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Made of plastic. Tablet made of plastic. On the back side, camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, display almost 11 inch. On this side, speakers and power key. Upside headphones, upside we have warm keys, downside slot for micro SD card, this Wi-Fi version. On this side, Type-C port and speakers. Okay, turn on display. We have IPS Full HD Plus display, open Antutu benchmark, Harmony OS version 2.0. We have very good results. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, this CPU. Very good benchmark results. Look, Asphalt 8. How work. And works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera, 13 megapixels. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.